Are you also planning to buy some new paints during the Amazon Great Freedom Sale? There are so many options available. But let me tell you, if you are a beginner and if you are low in budget, then these are the best options. Hi, my name is Swati and I am a floral artist. Welcome to my channel. Let's start with the Camel watercolor set in tubes. This set has 24 colors, so you get a good variety of colors to work with. I personally like watercolors in tubes because I can take out only the amount of paint I need and mix it easily on my palette. These colors are transparent, so they are great when you want a soft and fresh watercolor effects. They can be really nice for flowers, landscape, and loose watercolor paintings. Next, we have another Camel watercolor set, but this one comes in cakes. These are artist grade colors, and this set has 18 colors, and it is also a very beautiful set to start with. I really like this type of set because it is small and easy to carry. Now let's look at the Brustro artist watercolors. This set comes with 12 colors in tubes and each tube has 12 ml of paint. So you get a good amount of paint. I like tube watercolors because they give me more control over how much paint I want to use, and they are also useful when you are working on bigger paintings or when you need more of some particular color. If you enjoy painting flowers, landscapes, or trying different watercolor techniques, this is another set you can consider, and it is quite affordable. I really like the vibrancy of these colors, and these are perfect for my kind of floral art where I paint loose flowers, and I prefer using these sets for especially for practice. And the last one is something a little different. This is the Mont gouache paints. If you haven't tried gouache before, it is quite different from watercolors. Watercolors are usually more transparent, while gouache gives you a much more solid and opaque finish. And since the Amazon Great Freedom Sale is live, you can grab these paints at great price and add them to your art collection. I have added all the links in the description, so do check them out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found this helpful.